Okay, good morning everyone. Whether my voice is clear,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
screen is visible. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See, in the previous classes, what are the things we have covered? The first one, what is basic of electricity, the standard definitions, okay? Electricity and its definition, some laws we have seen. After that, we have seen the accessories, very important accessories of a electrical service, First, we have seen different types of wires and different types of cables, okay? And after that, we have seen what do you mean by earthing and what is the precaution, what are the different systems we have seen in earthing. Ramkrishna Shabas, do you remember these things? TN system, TS system,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes, sir.
TNT
Yes, sir.
systems.
CNC.
Okay, okay. These are the earthing systems we have covered. There are two major types. What is that? One pipe system, another is a plate system. Both things we have covered. And after that, we have started with the basic wiring system. Basic wiring system. So in that we have started with the cleat wiring, electrical, what is that? Batten, wood batten, concealed wiring, conduit wiring. So many types we have seen. This is about wiring system. After that, we have discussed about very important protective devices. We have started with the protective devices. In that first one, fuse, we have seen the types of fuses and MCBs, miniature circuit breakers, and some other things which are there for protective device we have seen. And after that, very important point in the examination point of view, what is that? Design and planning. Design and planning, we have discussed this thing. Whether any doubts in these five major concepts? Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
here in the design and planning, electrical contractor will come, electrical engineer will come, drawings part will come, room area, room sufficient is there or not, substation and a transformer, distribution board, distribution panel. So all those things we have covered. Now, keeping this one in your mind, just go through the what is there in NBC code, because when you see any syllabus, when you see the syllabus of your MTech, it is clearly mentioned in each of the topic. What is the mention? Whatever you are discussing, you have to be in line with the NBC code. Whether the screen is visible, this is syllabus part, clearly visible. Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
okay now. Very good, very good. Now we will go through what are the important points in NBC code, in the National Building Code for electrical service. Okay na. So here it is totally around 60 to 70 pages is there. You can go through this one, but whatever I felt important from this one, I have taken it. I have taken it, and some of the points have been already discussed, and we will go through with this in a brief way. Is that okay? Shall I start with this one? What are the things they have given? What we need to concentrate? Okay, here the explanation is already known to you, but what points you should concentrate? Those things I am going to here discuss here. Is that okay, sir? Everyone,
Yes, sir.
everyone.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Now, see here. So here in this one, in the National Building Code for Section 2, it is about electrical and allied installation. Now, allied means what will come? Alternate power supply may come, earthing systems may come, lighting, everything, maybe everything will be coming. So it describes about the scope, what it is covering in the first part. Second part, it is there in the syllabus also, that is terminologies and symbols. If you see the syllabus portion, it is clearly mentioned. Technical terms and symbols in the NBC code or electrical. So just go through this one. What do you mean by accessory? Any device which is used. Apparatus, which is giving something for the customer. Apparatus. Appliance is also the same function. What do you mean by cable? Carries the conductor, have the insulation. Okay, na? Ceiling rose is nothing but which is mounted from the top of the roof, which is mounted from the ceiling. From there, point is drawn, such as ceiling fan, ceiling light, ceiling bulb. Okay, those are the things. Circuit is what? A closed loop of electrical wires. It's a closed loop of wires from this phase wire or live wire, neutral wire, earthing wire. All the three are running there and making a connection and giving the energy. Okay. In that there are two types of circuits, category 1, category 2. One Category 1 has no alarm for fire alarm. Category 2 has fire alarm system. That's all. Nothing more is there. Okay. Third is what? Fire alarm circuit separately. Fire alarm circuit separately. Okay. Now, so circuit breaker in the emergency, when the electricity value exceeds that something, the automatically it breaks the circuit. It breaks the circuit. Those things are called as circuit breakers. Cutout means what? Some device which is not allowing the current, not allowing the energy. So that is called as cutout. Dead means no current is at all flowing through that one. Earth means a mass or the conductive mass of earth where additional voltage or additional current is made zero. Additional current is made zero. Fire survival cable which has a sufficient high melting point. That's one, high melting point. Fitting and lighting are the apparatus, are the appliances through which we are converting the electrical energy into light energy. Fuse is a protective device which has a fuse element which melts when it exceeds its ranking, when it exceeds its ranking, so that circuit is broken, so that circuit is open. Okay na? Insulated means what? Which is not allowing the conductor's electricity to touch the human. वो उसको allow नहीं कर रहा है. It is called as insulation. नेक्स्ट इज न्यूट्रल कंडक्टर. ये जो है 3 फेज सिस्टम में आता है. 3 फेज सिस्टम, इन दैट वन ऑफ द वायर इज न्यूट्रल. Plug is a point where you can draw the electricity. Each has got socket and each using the pin arrangement you can draw the electricity. It's called as plug. Socket outlet is nothing but the outlet from where electricity is drawn. Switch is a instrument used to open the circuit or break the circuit. Okay na? Switchboard where multiple switches are there for multiple uses, and typically we have so many voltages. What are those? Extra low voltage which is less than 50 volt, so up to extra high voltage you have 33 kV. So these are the range of voltage. Now as we have seen, what is the general requirement? General requirement, so if you see the syllabus copy you will understand what is that. Service requirement or electrical service requirement, this is a standard concept. Yesterday also we have seen, that is what a story of contractor, consumer, architect, engineer, all the things have to come in this one. Whatever you are preparing, it should be in accordance with Electricity Act. One thing, first thing is what you should write. Whatever planning and design, preparing, everything, it should be in Electricity Act 2003 or its latest amendment. Okay na? If you are taking the material part, see, whatever design you are preparing, no, it can be broken into so many steps. What are the so many steps? Planning, execution, testing, inspection, and last one is what? Giving the report. Giving the report. In all the stages, there is some steps. Is that okay? Planning, execution, here somewhere approval will come. After the approval, execution will come. After the execution, testing and inspection will come. And the last one, reporting. Wherever necessary, you conduct the test. Wherever it is necessary, you conduct the test. Wherever necessary, you give the protective things. Wherever necessary, you give the additional switchboards. Wherever necessary, you provide the insulation. Wherever necessary, you provide the earthing for the equipments. Is that okay? These are some of the steps. Okay now? Now here in the material part, you should understand that all the materials should be in accordance with Electricity Act. It should be designed for to take care the maximum load for which it is intended to do the work. Okay now? Second point, what is that? Coordination with the local supply authority. Yesterday we have seen क्या करता है, contractor आता है, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर फ्रॉम पीडब्ल्यूडी और केईबी डिपार्टमेंट आता है, वो दोनों बात करते हैं किसको ये कंज्यूमर का रिक्वायरमेंट कितना है, फ्यूचर कितना एक्सपांशन होगा इस घर का और इंडस्ट्री का, उसके हिसाब से उसको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अलॉटमेंट होता है. ओके ना? एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ वर्क में क्या होता है? व्हाटएवर अग्रीड according to the rules, according to the specification, according to the design and drawings, it has to be executed. That is the third thing. Planning. What is the planning? First one, as usual, consumer का requirement, type and requirement of the consumer. First thing, okay ना? अगर इसमें है ना, ये points आपको याद रखना है. These are the common points which are there in the design and planning of an electrical wiring installation. First one, the type and supply of occupancy, whether it is the residential, whether it is the industrial, what is the load coming, what type of earthing arrangement should be made. Second is under which atmospheric condition it is there, whether it is the coastal area, whether it is a humid area, whether it is the rainy area, whether it is a dry area. Or third thing, whether any explosive type of or inflammable type of materials are stored there. If that is the case, what are the extra precautions? Okay, now next is standby type. In the absence of the government power supply, what is the precaution to be taken care of? Whether how many generators have to be provided? What is the precaution? Those things you need to be understood. And very important, what is about O&M cost? What is about operation and maintenance cost? For how many what is the frequency of doing the testing, what is the frequency of doing the repair work, what is the frequency of doing the maintenance work. So all those things should be kept in mind. Next is what, whether any radio and telecommunication lines are there, you have to take care. Okay, so all those things you need to keep in mind for what, design and planning. Is that okay, sir?
Yes,
Everyone,
sir.
everyone, everyone, please give response. Okay, Chetan sir, Ramkrishna sir, Athiya madam, Shaba sir, whether it is okay.
Sir, okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, na? So now, see, in the exam, all the things are not necessary. Depending upon the marks, if they ask for 10 marks, you can write 5 points and other things such as protective equipments, all those things you need to write. Okay, na? See here, coordination, coordination between architect, electrical contractor, electrical engineer, and civil works contractor, water supply contractor. So everything, every person should be in coordination for the execution of work, for the preparation of the work. Is that okay? That is about coordination. Very important is location of substation. Location of substation. What is a substation? Substation is a facility where step down transformer or step up transformer is placed. Why? अगर हम लोग बाहर जो मेन केबल्स होता है ना उसका वोल्टेज ज्यादा रहता है, बट हमारा डोमेस्टिक पर्पस या अपना इंडस्ट्रियल पर्पस के लिए उतना वोल्टेज दैट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. So for that reason, a substation is constructed. In that, a step down transformer is installed, and that transformer, the voltage is reduced to the our requirement. This one, is that okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is that okay? Okay. Now,
Okay,
so
sir.
the question will be like this: describe the describe what precautions while installing the substation or its layout or the transformer. Standard question: describe the procedure or precautions or guidelines for substation in a electrical service. So first one, you should write about location. अभी आप जनरली बताओ ना लोकेशन कैसा रहना चाहिए. अभी आपका एक मल्टी स्टोरी अपार्टमेंट है या फिर एक छोटा सा एक टाउनशिप जैसा है, ठीक है ना, बड़ा एरिया, एक 2 एकर्स में आपका एक बिल्डिंग आ रहा है, मतलब मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग आ रहा है, तो आप सबस्टेशन कहाँ पे फिक्स करने वाला है. आप जनरली सोचो ना, जनरली सोचो सबस्टेशन का काम क्या है, वोल्टेज को ब्रिंग डाउन करके आपको डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पैनल को देना है. मीटर, नेक्स्ट उसके बाद डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पैनल, फर्स्ट मीटर आएगा एनर्जी मीटर, उसके बाद डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पैनल आएगा. तो ये सबस्टेशन कैसे रहना है, कहाँ कहाँ रहना है, और व्हाट इज द गाइडलाइंस. सिंपल है ना. इसको एक सेपरेट बिल्डिंग चाहिए, उसी बिल्डिंग में तो नहीं कर सकते हम लोग. अगर बड़ा है सबस्टेशन, फर्स्ट थिंग इट शुड बी लोकेटेड एज पॉसिबल, ओके, a separate building, but it is next to the generator room. Why? ये
सर
इंपॉर्टेंट है.
वोल्टेज कैसा कितना वोल्ट आ रहा है पता चलना है सर, उसीलिए नियर टू जनरेटर.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं. जनरेटर रूम किस लिए? when it is required, when there is a शॉर्टेज ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड पावर सप्लाई और पावर कट होता है ना, तब हमको जनरेटर चाहिए. मगर जो हमको केवी से आ रहा है ना, उसका भी सब स्टेशन और जनरेटर रूम एक ही इसमें रहना है. क्यों ऐसा है? सिंपल है ना. अभी एनर्जी मीटर इधर है ना, जो भी अपना केबल ऐसे आ रहा है, ये सबस्टेशन के रूम में ही हम लोग ट्रांसफार्मर and that generator we want to place. Why? From there only the domestic house is getting supply. No, so if it is not there, you can directly make a link with this one generator. Simple. उसके लिए transformer, substation, or this generator, all are placed in a big single room. That is the first one. Is that clear now? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಚೇತನ್ ಅವರ.
Yes, sir.
ಚೇತನ್ ಸರ್,
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲಿಸನ್ ಇಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಗಿಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯರಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಸಮ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸಮ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್, ವೆದರ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್, ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್, try to answer the question. It will be benefiting you only. Okay, na? Okay. Shall we proceed to the next line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, very good, 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 very good. Okay, na? So try to give as responses whether you have understood or not understood. Okay, Neha madam, welcome madam. Okay, okay. So we are discussing the guidelines for installation of substation or a transformer in a multi-story building. Okay, madam, Neha madam. Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. We'll proceed. Okay. First is location of the substation, how it should be, and what is the level. Sorry, where it should be there. आपको सबस्टेशन को बेसमेंट में रखना है या नहीं रखना है, आप जनरली बताओ ना. ग्राउंड फ्लोर ठीक है, मगर बेसमेंट में रखना है क्या? बेसमेंट जो पार्किंग पे यूज होता है. कभी आप डीमार्ट गया है? डीमार्ट में नीचे जहां पे पार्किंग है, बहुत सारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बोर्ड. हाँ, वो अच्छा बात है क्या बुरा बात है, आप बताओ.
सकते
नहीं, दैट इज वो लोगों ने रखा है, दैट इज ओके, बट वेदर इट शुड बी व्हाट इज दैट प्रैक्टिस्ड फॉर एवरीवेयर और इट शुड बी अवॉइडेड, यू टेल मी. Keeping the substation or its appliances, accessories inside the basement is a good practice or a bad practice? You tell me.
Good practice.
Baba, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ದೊಳಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, whenever flood comes, the heroine will face lot of difficulty. Understand? वो नीचे जाके पानी भरा रहता है, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತದೆ, उधर जाके उसको स्विच ऑन करना इमरजेंसी लाइट, वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट काम है. डू यू एग्री विथ दिस पॉइंट और नॉट? यू टेल मी. बेसमेंट में जाके उसको स्विच बोर्ड को, अल्टरनेट सिस्टम को प्रिपेयर करना, रेडी करना, ओके, वो अच्छा काम है बुरा काम है जो बेसमेंट में जाके करना ड्यूरिंग द फ्लड सिचुएशन? नोडी लो पिक्चर
बुरा है सर. अर्थिंग होने का चांसेस रहता है,
चांसेस बहुत रहता है, शॉक मारने का बहुत चांसेस रहता है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट. द सबस्टेशन और इमरजेंसी जनरेटर सिस्टम, एनीथिंग, try to avoid in basement, keep it on the ground floor. Simple. Okay na? That is what here that is point. Unavoidable cases, the only solution is basement only, no issues. Okay, so here it should be placed on the ground floor. Very important, it should be placed on the ground floor. And even also try to maintain high flood level. मतलब जो अब फ्लड भी आ गया ना, वो लेवल के ऊपर आपका जनरेटर, आपका ट्रांसफार्मर, आपका ये सबस्टेशन रहना है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस सिचुएशन. इस सिचुएशन में आपका स्विच रूम जो रहता है वो पानी के लेवल से थोड़ा ऊपर ही रहना है. दैट शुड बी प्लेस्ड जस्ट अबव दैट फ्लड लेवल. ओके ना? सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, कॉमन पॉइंट्स आर दैट ऑलरेडी पावर लाइन्स है, उसको देख के अपना सबस्टेशन को फिक्स करना है. You should watch the overheading over moving this what is that overhead cables. Okay, so very important is that access to that substation room, access to that switch room. What is that access? Doors, windows. Doors should be easily accessible from all the direction. Try to understand, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬಹಳ important point. Doors or openings should always easily accessible from all the direction, from all the floors. First thing, it should be properly ventilated, क्योंकि जनरेटर होता है, हीट डेवलप होता रहता है. Try to avoid the accumulation of heat and exhaust this one gases. Give it more ventilation and give access. That is the important part. अगर इस पॉइंट्स को समझ गया तो आप सबस्टेशन का पार्ट समझ गया. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, exam.
Yes,
See, in the exam, they will not ask about the how the functioning of transformer, how the functioning of substation. Those things will not. They will not ask. They are going to concentrate on what are the precautions, guidelines as a civil engineer should take while constructing or while giving the electrical service. The general points you should understand. Layout. What is that layout? So it should be as large as possible. Sufficient spaces between the each individual unit. That is the first layout. Layout andre कौन सा accessories कहाँ पे आना है, that should you should keep it in mind. Rooms and spaces required means what, एक equipment को कितना जगह और what is the extra area required for movement of the persons to operate and all. So that is what rooms and space requirement. See, lot of points are there. You can only concentrate on the heading and 1 or 2 line in the exam. That is sufficient because already it is more than 20 to 25 points. Okay. So next is what location of the switch room. It should be immediately to the next of the substation. Immediately to the next of the substation where you can operate, close, open using that switch room whenever it is required. Whenever it is required, location of the switch room. What is this next? Location and requirement of the distribution panel. What is the function of distribution panel? From the main source, it is drawing that one. From individual distribution board, individual panel, one is for one building, second is for second building, third is for third building. That is one type of distribution board. In another type of distribution board, you can understand that in a single distribution panel, one is going for one room, another is going for corridor or staircase, another is going for bathroom and kitchen. Like that, multiple distribution panels will be there. That is what here it is mentioned. Location and requirement of the distribution panel such that sufficient space is provided, such that all the building parts should be well wired. Okay, and also you should make a note of overhead lines, already existing wires and cables, so that your work should not disturb the others' work. Is that okay? As long as possible, try to give the protection for overhead lines. Why? Because these carry high voltage current. Because these carry high voltage current, so that it should be sufficiently insulated. Sufficiently insulated. Okay. What is the position? आपके घर के ऊपर जाना है क्या रोड में जाना है ओवरहेड लाइंस? अब बताओ. ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಮನಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಮನಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ರೋಡ್ದಾಗ
ಮನಿ ಮುಂದೆ
ರೋಡ್ದಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ another method that is called as underground cables with proper casings and all. You can try to use underground work instead of overhead lines. Okay. So yes, always put warning sign of danger signs at the entry and at the exit of that room. At the entry and exit of that room. Is that okay? Yes sir, no sir?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now in that substation, generally all the drawings such as water, sewage, telecommunication, gas pipeline, electrical. So all the drawings, all the maps have to be installed in the substation room. Okay. Okay. Now what is that? So as usual, you have whatever installation is there, you have to be approved by electrical inspectorate. In our case, it is a KB, Karnataka Electricity Board. So that person should come in test that one and give its approval. Okay na? Next is what? Distribution and supply cabling. मतलब क्या है, जो अपना substation के बाद, after the substation, what are the cables, what are the wires will come, those things have to be taken care. Okay na? What is the performance of switch gear? It acts as breaking or opening the circuit. Switch gear मनी ಒಳಗೂ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ लीवर ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, that is called as switch gear. ये पैनल रहता है, इसके ऊपर ऐसा रॉड रख रहता है, देखो. Yes or no? ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಚೇತನ್ ಇದು ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಚೇತನ್ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ Chetan, Ramkrishna, Shabaz,
क्या हुआ?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಒಮ್ಮೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಕೇಳಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ವೆದರ್ ಮೈ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರೀಚಿಂಗ್.
ಸರ್
ಹಾ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಕೇಳಕತ್ತದ?
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಯಾರ್ದು? ನಂದ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, 1 second. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್. ನೌ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತೈತಿ.
ओके
Now
सर.
okay na? Now okay na? Okay, okay. Now, now what is there? These are the common things: reception and distributions of main supply. So here there is one single control point from where you receive the electricity. Only one control point is there. After that, you have what? Energy meter. Energy meter is nothing but where how much electricity is consumed is noted down. It's a meter. It should be given sufficient protection. That is called as energy meter casing or protection. After that, you will be having main switch and switchboard. There is a big lever arm is provided to turn it, turn off. Those things are there. Next is drawings we have seen. Okay, drawings, distribution board, location, and last one is protection circuits. Okay, these are the common points. Now for wiring purpose, for what type of work, what type of cables should be used? These are simple. For main cable, you can go for TRS or TPS. For normal inside the room, you can go for PVC. You can remember only two things. For main cable, you can go for TRS or TPC. For normal use, you can go for PVC. Simple. Okay. Now, what is that? These are common points for lighting requirement. What are the things should be taken care? Okay. 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 Cool. Okay. So the same things what we have covered now in wiring system: PVC sheeted wiring system. Okay. Conduit wiring system. These things which have been covered. Okay. These are not there. Earthing also discussed. That is there from this one. Okay. So in the last class TN system, these systems have been discussed. Okay. Okay. The last part is inspection and testing. Inspection and testing is there, and another one is lighting protection of buildings. Okay. As the work completes, all the drawings should be kept in that room, inspected properly, and give the certificate. These are the simple guidelines. Okay. This is about electrical services. Now, in the electrical service in NBC codebook, what are the things they have given? We'll just see that one. Okay. Shahbaz, Ramkrishna, now my voice is clear?
Yes sir,
Yes,
clear
sir.
sir.
Okay. Neha madam, are you following? Okay. Chetan sir, are you listening, sir?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay. Yargatti madam, are you there, madam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Are you following the things?
Yeah sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. See here. You start with the NBC code. What you are going to see here, all the definitions they have given, all the definitions such as accessory का मतलब क्या है, appliance andre na. Okay, these are the things they have given, basic definitions. From there only I have taken it in the notes. Okay, from there only I have taken it in the notes. You can just go through them. So lot of things are there. So next what we have seen, these are what general requirements. These are called as the general requirements. The standard question will come about the material, about the design and planning, about the execution work. But I have written it in 1 line or 2 lines. Those things are sufficient. Those things are only sufficient because it is a large subject it is there. Okay, na? Okay. One thing. This is not required. Okay, where is that symbols and all? ಇದೇನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಐತಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
ಸರ್
ಅರ್ತಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಅರ್ತಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ?
ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅರ್ತಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪೈಪ್ ಇದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪೈಪ್ ಅರ್ತಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪೈಪ್ ಅರ್ತಿಂಗ್. So if they ask for earthing, you have to draw this diagram. Second is
Okay.
plate earthing. Here only 2 to 3 plates have been used. ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಿಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಒನ್ ಲಾಂಗಿಟ್ಯೂಡಿನಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ. See here, in each part they have given so many points. Those things are not necessary. You can only go through the first line or first point. That is sufficient. That is sufficient. Okay. ಅದು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೈತೆ ನೋಡಕತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಬೇಡ. ಹಾ. See here, in this one, your syllabus, they have clearly given. What is that clearly given? Symbols for electrical installation. Sudden ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದ, ಹೌದಂತಿರಲ್ಲಂತಿರು? ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಯರಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಸಾರಿ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸರ್, ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಡ್ರಾ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 10 to 15 symbols with their ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ ವೈರಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಆನ್ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್, ಓಕೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. ಹಿಂಗ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್, ಓಕೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನಂತಾರೆ? ತ್ರೀ ಪೋಲ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ. ಇದು ಸಾಕೆಟ್ ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್, ಈ ತರನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಅವ್ರ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಗಿವನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ವೈರಿಂಗ್ ಲೇಔಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಲೇಔಟ್, ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಲೇಔಟ್. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ನೀವು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. ಯರಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನೇಹಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, can you understand what is there? A layout of a electrical service inside a small room, small building or showroom. ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು? ಯರಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ದೇರ್? ಆರ್ ಯು ಲಿಸ್ನಿಂಗ್?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what type of electrical drawing you should prepare? See, in this one it is there. I will just show. Where is that? Here. So this is what typical diagram for electrical layout. ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾತ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೈಟ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೌ? Can you see? Everyone can see. This is a very important diagram.
Yes, sir.
Very important diagram. If they ask in the exam, you have to draw like this. See here, the small legend is given. Legend means what? Yav diagram yen suitable. Phase andre ena, neutral andre ena, earth line, switch, 5 ampere switch, okay, 5 ampere switch, fanning yav type symbol, tube light, ee tara ella kottar. Idu 15 ampere switch, okay. See here, first is what? Here the substation or transformer will come. It is the main supply. It is the main supply. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಆರ್ ಯು ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಮೌಸ್ ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಾವು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು?
ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ
ಇದಕ್ಕ ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್.
ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ? ಸಾಕೆಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದಂತಾರ? ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಮೀಟರ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಶೋ ದ ಮೀಟರ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದ, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. Another switch is there for internal use. Another main switch is there for internal use. ಇದೇನದು? ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as distribution board. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ ಈಚ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈವ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಈಗ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್. Another 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡವಲ್ರಿ? ಶಾಬಾಜ್, ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ, ನೇಹಾ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂದಿನ ಸರ್ ನಾಳೆ.
ಚೇತನ್ ಮಾಡು. ಯರಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. One is a phase wire, phase connection, and another is neutral. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ earthing ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. In this earthing is not sure. Okay na? No, earthing ಐತಲ್ಲ, earthing ಐತಿ. Here it is. Earthing line is there. No problem. What is happening? From each phase and from each neutral, separate circuits have been drawn for different locations. Is this point clear? See here. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಸರ್ಕಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಒಂದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾರ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಒನ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್. This side will consist of hall, dining room. See here, one phase line is going and another neutral line is going for all the rooms for this circuit, one separate circuit or for one separate distribution panel. Now, what is this central line? Central line is also going for this bedroom on the right side. Okay. Now the last circuit. What is the purpose of this last circuit? One phase and one neutral. It is going for power consumption, such as kitchen mixer grinder or electrical water heater and this bathroom water heater. So for that they have drawn separate circuits. Ida type ನೀವು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. One thing. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ power consumption ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐತಿ, wherever power consumption is more, what is the dotted line resembles? What is the dotted line resembles from that points? You tell me. What is this the dotted line? You should tell me. Neutral allo dotted line. ಇದನ್ನ mark ಮಾಡೋದೇನಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆ?
Sir, earthing, sir.
Earthing point of this is called as earthing line. See, for generally dining room, hall room, they have not taken earthing, but they have specifically taken for bathroom and kitchen. Why? The power consumption is more and heavy electrical appliances such as fridge, washing machine, mixer, everything will be there. Okay na? For that they have taken separate. Now see, mattenada ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಸಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್. 3 pin ಸಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ. This is a 3 pin socket. This is also a 3 pin socket. Now what is the rating of this 3 pin socket? You tell me. Why it is provided in the kitchen and bathroom? Why it is not provided in the bedroom and dining room? You tell me.
Power consumption ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
What is the rating? I am asking. What is the rating? 3 pin.
15 ampere.
15 ampere, sir.
15 ampere. Very good. Now, without any 3 dots, the rating will be less. That is 5 ampere. So, only circles have been given where? In bedroom, in kitchen, okay, in kitchen sidewise, and in dining room. These are what? Normal 5 ampere used for lighting and fan purpose. ಇಷ್ಟು ತೆಗಿಬೋದಾ ನೀವು? ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೆಗಿಬೋದಾ? ಮೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you tell me how to prepare the schedule for this one. How to prepare the schedule for this one? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಏನೇನ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? ಫೇಸ್ ವೈರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? ಇದು ಅಗರ್ 10/12 ರೂಮ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? 10 + 10 + 12. So like this you can calculate the length of wire. Can you calculate the length of wire approximately?
Yes, sir.
Calculate the wire. Okay, you can write it like phase wire. Okay, phase wire, PVC coated or TRS wire, 20 meters. Similarly for neutral, but for earthing you can take it only 12 meters. You can only take the 12 meters for earthing wire. How many switch? You write it 3. How many 2 pin sockets? You write it 5. How many 3 pin 15 amperes? You write it 5. Okay, so how many lamps? 2 + 2. Fan 2 + 2, tubelight 3 + 1. Like that you can write. It will complete the requirement, electrical requirement of a single bedroom house. Is that okay, sir, for everyone?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Is that okay? Now, if it is asked not for residence, if it is asked for school building, what modifications you can do? You tell me. What modifications you can do? What modifications you can do? Here, the plan itself will change. Multiple classrooms will come. For each classroom, 3 pin requirement, that is the 15 ampere requirement, is required or not required for classrooms? You tell me.
Not required, sir. Only 5 voltage is required.
Very good. It is not at all required. But this fan, lamp, tube light, Everything is required. Everything is required, and you can provide one switch and one 2-pin socket. One switch and one 2-pin socket for each classroom. Each classroom. Is that okay, sir, for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very good.
Yes,
So,
sir.
see, I will give the xerox of this book after when I scan that one. In that also, lot of notes is there. Lot of notes is there. This is a scanned copy of that book only. This is a scanned copy of that book only. In that they have mentioned. In that they have mentioned clearly. Lot of things in that book also taken from which one? You tell me. You should tell me. That book has referred which
NBC, sir.
NBC code. So they have referred NBC code and made it very simple for understanding, and I'm going to give that xerox of that book. No problem. Okay. Here they have clearly mentioned what are the different symbols and all. Okay. See, notification. Okay, AC and DC. These are very elementary kind of a thing. Okay. Huh. Now you tell me one-way switch and a two-way switch. Where it is required? You tell me. You have to understand this one. What is this? This represents the switches. This represents the switches. If it is like this, if it is closed, then current will flow. Correct? If this line, AB line, is meeting with this dot, then it is closed, then current will flow. When AB line is not meeting with this dot, then circuit is not closed, it is open or it is broken, then current will not flow. This is simple understanding. Is that okay? Is that okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
ಓಕೆನಾ? ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ
ಹೋಗ್ಯಾನ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಹೋಗ್ಯಾನ? ಚೇತನ್ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳು ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ? ಇದ ಒನ್ ವೇ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಟೂ ವೇ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ವಿಚ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ connections like this. There is a connection like this. If this AB line is not meeting this dot, then current is not going to flow. That means the circuit is open. Circuit is open. Then this lamp will not glow. First point. Second point, when AB line is touching this point, then circuit is closed. Closed loop will form, so that current will start from here and move through this line and completes the circuit, so that lamp will glow. If only one switch, means what? Only one type of operation can be done, then it is called as one-way switch. It is normally provided in rooms, bedrooms, hall, kitchen. One-way switch. Okay na? Two-way switch. Two-way switch means what? To complete the one circuit diagram, complete loop of one diagram, you have been provided two switches. In that circuit only two switches. If it is closed here, you can operate with this one. If it is closed here, you can operate with this one. You can reverse the connection. Is that okay? You tell me, have you come across this two-way switch? Everyone has in their home. Where it is? कॉरिडोर स्टेयरकेस और करता रही लो तेलग अभी नीचे फ्लोर पे जाने वक्त आप स्विच ऑन करता है, ऊपर आपके फ्लोर रीच होने के बाद और एक स्विच रहता है, उसको बंद करता है. सिंपल है ना? यस और नो? समझ में अंडरस्टैंड ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಮುಂದೆ ತೆಳಗೆ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಒತ್ತಿಕಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಹತ್ತದ, ಎದರದ ಸ್ಟೇರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದ್ದೆ. ನೀವು ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಲೈಟ್ ಬಂದ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೂ ವೇ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಎದ್ರ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆರ್ distribution supply diagram. It's called as the distribution supply diagram. Main switch, distribution board, to fan, to power, to other circuits. This is the enlarged view. This is energy meter. This is distribution. Okay. This is the diagram. Fuse. It is called as a fuse. Okay na? This is the diagram. Which diagram?
Earthing, sir.
Earthing, pipe earthing. It's called as a pipe earthing. It is given in the textbook. This is about plate earthing. This is about wiring methodology. Okay, no problem. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೇನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ಕಿಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತವೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೀಟ್ ವೈರಿಂಗ್, CTS ವೈರಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್. This is okay. The transformer not required. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬೇಡ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ನೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್. Okay, now just see the syllabus, whether we have completed electrical service, technical terms, symbols, accessories, electrical service requirement level. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Any doubts in this one, today's class?
No, sir.
Sir, please participate. At least eager ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. Yargatti madam, please
No,
tell me.
sir. No doubt, sir.
No doubts. Okay, very good. Neha madam. Shahbaz immediately reply ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. I am very happy. Shahbaz is the only person which is very alert in the class. No problem. Chetan is also alert. No problem. Yargatti madam.
Yes, sir. No doubt.
No doubts. Sir. Okay. Neha madam. Okay, no problem. Okay, just write your USN and what is that name in the comment box. And Monday or Tuesday, I will let you the timings. We will start with the plumbing system or hot water and cold water system. Very simple to understand. Okay, is that okay, sir? Shall I wind up the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I close? Okay, no problem. Yes, you can, after giving the attendance, you can leave the meeting. No problem. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Chetan. Thank you, Neha madam. Thank you, Shahbaz. Thank you, Yargatti madam.